this video I'm going to cover the looping part. It's very important. So let's start. If you want to create anything for more than one time, what you will do? First thing you will do this type of thing, like print that thing for one more than one time. Okay. So in looping, let's start with the while loop. I is equal to 0. What is I is equal to 0? It's called as count variable. One day, one. Then just write while and put your condition, whatever you want to put. Like if you want the number till 5, and 5 is less than equal to 5, and put colon. What colon indicates? Colon indicates the path of block, and this is the block. We cannot write here because if you write there, then it will give you error. Okay, print head for like alien. Okay, for 5 times. If you want to print this alien for 5 times with the looping, then you have to increment the value of your count I plus 1. Just this. And simply write the run. It's very simple. To know about the nested looping, then you can simply, like if you want to print alien programmer, okay, then I will show you how to. Just take another count variable here and start with looping j less than equal to 4, because your first loop is going to 5 and then 4. Simply print program. Okay, and don't forget to increment the value of j, and don't forget to increment the value of I. But this is the j, it's increment to j. This is the second loop, and the block of second loop is until this. And block of first loop is this. So put increment in front of this. But see what happened in this. Okay, alien programmer 4 times, alien programmer 4 times. Okay, but if you want the programmer in only one line, want to print for 4 times but want in only one line, then just put end in this manner. It indicates I will not going to change line. I want to print this in only in one line, and simply add print at the last. Okay, then run. Okay, it's look nice. If you want to know about how to print with the help of loop, then simply debug this code. Print here, press here, and it go line by line. You can see this first loop is running now. It goes to second loop, then one time prints. Now programmer will print for 4 times, and then it is indicating the second line of the another variable, like it's come for 1 and now it's come for 2. Then this alien for first time, programmer for 4 times. So it's simple. Okay, so stay with us for for loop and many other programs, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the program. Thank you.